Thank you. Hey, sorry, yeah, no. I know, yeah, so sad.要入镜了，入镜了。
Firstly, the Xiaomi 12 series and the Xiaomi 11T Pro. You can get a free Xiaomi soundbar and subwoofer worth $499. And this is limited only to the first 30 customers. Subsequent customer, you can get the soundbar at 50% off. And second, please check out our latest and most affordable Redmi 10A smartphone at only $179 for the 3 plus 64 gig variant. And as for AIoT products, the largest TV here, 75-inch Xiaomi Q1 QLED TV, get a whopping $800 discount off the price of $2,499. Yes, and also I'd like to add on that today, for customers who spend $50 in a single receipt, from now to 16th of May, you will be able to win attractive prizes daily, including a Xiaomi 55-inch Android TV, a Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE smartphone, and a few pieces of Mi Watch Lite. So please don't miss it, and yeah, go grab your thing now.
Definitely some amazing deals. You want to make use of that opening promo. And we also did see a very special guest join us in that store earlier, right? The CyberDog, the Xiaomi CyberDog. So could you just share with us what are some of the features of this Xiaomi CyberDog?
Yeah, I think many of you, the first question come to mind is, can I buy this dog? Yeah, it's not for sale. It's a conceptual technology. It's a conceptual product. The objective is actually to let robotic enthusiasts to co-create and compete with like-minded Xiaomi fans, and so that we can propel the development and progress of quadruped, which is the four-legged mammals robots. Yeah, and actually, this CyberDog is powered by an AI-optimized supercomputer consisting of a multitude of cores, processors, and AI engines. So data is actually processed by 11 sensors, all on the dog itself, and including cameras from our imaging division, GPS modules, and there's also fisheye lenses. In fact, the CyberDog is able to analyze its surrounding while it's moving, and also create navigational maps while doing all this and avoiding obstacles. So to find out more, please go to our Mi blog in mi.com global about the CyberDog. I think this will help to fuel the development of future AI engines and robots.
Thank you so much for sharing that. Definitely love seeing all the innovation behind all of Xiaomi's products. And for all Xiaomi's fans, if you're interested to check out the brand new store and also to make use of the opening promos, you can head down to where we are right now, the brand new store at basement 1 of Waterway Point.